Hello again. Here's question 9 from the 2013 exam. We are given that, and the tan is that, find the cosine of the angle. Okay, when you're not told very much and all we're told that the tan is this fraction here, draw yourself a right angled triangle. So here we go. And we mark in the numbers we've got. Do not for the moment worry about the negative sign. We'll just do this all as a positive to start with. So the tan is 3/4. The tan is the opposite over the adjacent. So if the angle is here, the opposite is over here, which is 3, and the adjacent, which is 4. From this we can use Pythagoras' theorem to work out the third side. Now I'm familiar with this triangle. It's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, which occurs quite a lot. If there were numbers you weren't aware of, you would have to use Pythagoras' theorem to work out the longest side in this triangle. From this triangle, when you've got all three sides, well, I can just write down that the cosine in this triangle is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, which in this case is 4/5. But you have to look very carefully at the domain that we're in. Now if I just draw a cast diagram, we are between pi and 2 pi. Now pi is over here and 2 pi is over here. That is, we're in this bit from there to there. Going from pi up to 2 pi is in the positive direction. So we are only looking in there. We also have that the tan is negative. Now in this cast diagram, the tans would be positive in the third quadrant, so we must be in the fourth quadrant because the tans are negative. So we must, in other words, be over in this quadrant somewhere. I'll just go through that again. The tans are positive in the third quadrant, but they will be negative in the fourth quadrant, so I must be in the fourth one because I am between pi and 2 pi. So I must be in the fourth quadrant here, and that means that in this quadrant cosines are all positive, so in this case my cosine will be positive. In that case I can just leave it as this, same as I got for my original triangle. So you might cosine the angle is positive 4/5. And that is that.